So thank you very much again, sir. Let me start now without any much further ado. And also I would like to acknowledge our boss in the DILG, Yusek Lord Villanueva, sir. Next slide, please. The authority and legal basis of our operation are the alias warrants of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and 5 others. So I think this is there's no other question regarding the legality of these warrants, the alias warrants. But on the next slide, I'll show you one warrant where only Apollo Kibuloy is impleaded. Next slide, please.
Oh.
Criminal case number RZQN from branch 106 of Quezon City. Violation of 7610, particularly Section 5B. To read, those who commit the act of sexual intercourse or lascivious conduct with a child exploited in prostitution or subject to other sexual abuse. Warrant of arrest against Apollo Kibuloy and Apollo Kibuloy only.
Oh, yan ha. May dahilan sila, no? Naniniwala sila base din po doon sa mga kagamitan nila nandoon si Kibuloy.
Dated August 8, 2024. Signed by Judge Noel Parel, presiding judge 106 Quezon City RTC. That is the person that we're looking for, sir. Next slide, please.
Laki oh.
The area of operation is the KOJC compound, which covers an area of approximately 30 hectares, 22 hectares inside, including the subdivision on the upper right-hand corner, which is another 5 hectares, because we have suspected that there may be a safe house of the subject of the target there. I would like to acknowledge also the presentation of Attorney Torion for giving us the confirmation on the methodical execution of these operations. And also, Mr. Jay Sonsa, the
bungal in SMNI. Ay, bakit ka nangahamak ng tao, Mark? Hinahamak mo yung itsura ni Jay Sonsa. Nangahamak din naman yun eh. Diba? Kaya ganun lang, balikan lang. Bungal naman talaga. Anong masasabi natin dyan?
Another resource person from the KOJC who simply said that they are live even before we arrive. Next slide, please. So the mission is very simple. Arrest fugitives Apollo Kibuloy and 4 others because one of them is already in custody, now imprisoned in Pasig Regional Trial Court. Next slide, please. The concept is again as simple. Enter, arrest, and leave.
Okay.
Simple as may sound, we, of course, expected the challenges. Next slide, please. Drawing lessons from the July 10 operations of Pro 11, we prepared CDM contingents, tactical security teams, arresting personnel, investigator searching personnel with WCPD score and ancillary services team. So you noticed we even prepared the portalets because we know that this will be a long drawn battle. Because in the next slides you will see why. And I'm very, very thankful with this opportunity to show this because the Senate will, we do hope that the Senate will see what interventions can be done to help the police or help bring the fugitives to justice. Next slide, please. Day 1. I wonder, actually,
Pro 11.
in Attorney Torion's presentation, he uses pictures when SMNI was always live with videos. Because I do believe if a picture paints 1,000 words, a video will be 1,000,000 more in word. So let's click and see the videos in the next slides.
Ano pa din, cool pa din si si General Torre. Cool pa din po ang general, mga kababayan.
Hintayin mo na lang ang video. Medyo mabagal sir ang internet talaga eh.
Ay, sa Davao, mabagal lang internet. Ganun pala dun. O baka dun lang sa lugar na
If I may suggest, sir, the lag is being caused by the Zoom application. If we can directly connect to the LED board, it will be a bit faster. If we don't go through Zoom.
Don't know, sino bang technical
Kung wala namang naka-Zoom, sir, na members, if we can request.
Tangina, lakad na naman si Loko-Loko. Dapat murahin tong mga to.
Saan yun? Sino yan? May nagsalita doon, mukhang maganda ang ipapalabas mga kababayan. Mukhang maganda ang ipapalabas ni General Torre, mga kababayan.
Putang ina nyo!
Ay! Ako mga kababayan, although siguro paminsan-minsan, pero napaka dalang, no? Kung mag-PI ako, talagang hindi pa direkta. Pero diyan sa loob ng Kojik, ang lupit, ano? Ang lupit! Hoy, ayan na naman! Narinig ko na naman yung hostess siya! Hostess siya! Hostess siya! Isa-shout out nyo na naman si Vivian Velez. Wala naman dito sa hearing si Vivian Velez.
Ore, wag ka na mag-isip.
Ano ba yon? Hostess siya? Buntis siya? O ano pa?
Wala ka namang isip.
Napakinggan. Ayun, may alam na tayo, may ramdam na tayo kung ano ipapakita. Tagal Sabi ni Ron Lin, Kabonse, isuko nyo si Kibuloy. Para matapos na ang gulo. Dapat lang madakip na yan. Sabi ni Brian, ano ba to? Mawarid. Bayaran. Yan na lang ba iko-komento mo? Paulit-ulit? O ipinlag mo pa?
Mr. Chair?
Mga boss, pakisipa nga si Brian. Okay na sana, walang problema dyan kung hindi kayo pabor doon sa aming sinasabi. Pero pag pinaulit-ulit mo, pinlad mo pa din, tanggalin ho natin yan. Pero yung mga nagsasalita dyan na hindi pabor doon sa sinasabi natin, hindi naman paulit-ulit, okay lang dyan. Diyan ho sila, hayaan nyo silang atakihin dyan. Hostess siya! Hostess siya! Ayan sila, mga kababayan.
Oy, mga puki ng ina nyo. Kamusta?
Ay, lupet! Ibang klase ito! Loob ng compound! Okay lang, syempre. Okay lang yan doon sa mga namamahala ng Kojik. Kakampi nila eh. Pero kapag ang kapulisan, hindi. Sagrado yung lugar na yan, mga kababayan. Ha? Masaya pa sila doon sa mga yan.
Ito naman.
Subukan nyo pong tanggalan ng mga camera yan. Yung mga vloggers nila. Tanggalan nyo ng camera. Hindi po kayang gawin yung mga yan.